It's a little cloudy and rainy here in Southern California, kind of gloomy. Don't really want to go outside. But in here, we got a spinach wrap party going on right here. Ba, 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 ba. Spinach wrap, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Spinach wrap. Okay, so what do I have in my spinach wrap? Let me show you. First, I have the Untuna. So I'm newly vegan, and Tabitha Brown converted me, I'll admit it. I tried her vegan mac and cheese, and I haven't gone back. I said, if you can make vegan mac and cheese that good, then I'm gonna try your other recipes. So here we have Untuna. So if you want the Untuna recipe, you're gonna have to go check out Tabitha Brown Untuna, because that's where I got the recipe from, and it's good. I also have some chipped peas. These are toasted chipped peas because I like a little crunch in my spinach wrap. And I have a little chili powder, and I have some olive oil and paprika. And I put it in the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you need to get an air fryer. I also have a little avocado. Okay, it's a little brown, but that's okay. As Tabitha would say, that's my business. And then I have some celery. So for me, I cannot eat onions. My doctor informed me of the foods that I cannot eat. Onion is one of them. And so what I do is chop up celery really fine, and I leave it in the refrigerator, and whenever I need onions, I use a little celery instead. It still has a lot of flavor, but you know, it's not onions, but it's good. And then I have some carrots and tomatoes. And if you look, my tomatoes, I have taken out the flesh and the seeds because I don't like a soggy spinach wrap. I don't want it running down my hand. And then my two most favorite items are my vegan goddess dressing and my lemon pepper Parmesan. Vegan. And then I have my spinach wrap, which I'm going to heat up in the microwave. I'll be back. So I warmed up my spinach wrap for just 20 seconds. I pulled the lettuce out of the refrigerator. For busy moms, let me tell you, I just keep lettuce cut up in the refrigerator. I use paper towel, Tabitha Brown secret, put it on the bottom and the top, put the lid on it, put it in the refrigerator. It will stay. And so now I have my Untuna, my lettuce, tomatoes, my carrots, my everything, but I forgot to show you my most favorite ingredient. I found these in the grocery store. Cannot tell you how good these are. So it says sliced tamed jalapeno peppers. See, I love jalapenos, but sometimes they're too spicy. So these tamed jalapenos are the bomb. So I just put these on my wrap on the top. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So let me tell you about these jalapenos. They have plenty of flavor, but they said medium heat, and it really is. It's not too spicy at all. So I got the only thing left, my vegan goddess dressing and my lemon pepper parm. I don't know how many calories this is. Really don't care, but you know what? That looks good. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll be back. Ooh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Ooh, look at this. I'm gonna enjoy my spinach wrap. Yes, I am. Y'all have a good day. Peace, love, and prosperity. Bye.